Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in innovation sentiment, clocking in at plus 0.85. Historically, this is significant. Such a high sentiment score, especially with momentum sitting at 0, suggests that positive sentiment is not just a blip, it's building momentum without the usual volatility. What does this mean for you? Our Innovation Sentiment API returns detailed insights, including sentiment scores across semantic clusters. You can leverage this data to identify emerging trends in innovation, helping you make informed decisions about where to focus your development efforts. Imagine using this to prioritize features in your product roadmap, or to guide your marketing strategy around new tech. For more on how to integrate this into your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.